Ladies and gentlemen, coming to the stage is a very funny comedian. He's been on Gutfeld, Joe Rogan, and Kill Tony. He's currently on tour. Please welcome Tyler Fischer!
Can you guys hear me? One more time for Rob Schneider. Did you think anyone would be tinier than Rob Schneider? I look like if Rob Schneider and David Spade had a baby, don't I? I was going to say pretty much everything Brett said, so I'd second that. Look at this, would be a super spreader event 3 years ago. You guys would be going to jail. Look at this. Remember that? I'm going to start with some good news, okay? I just found out, if you check your phones, but Joe Biden, which, by the way, is still sleeping, so let's keep the laughs to a minimum. He's right over there. He just announced he will be upping the secret security for Donald Trump, which I think is a good thing. Maybe a round of applause as something. I have the article right here. Joe Biden has vowed to give every Secret Service agent for Donald Trump at his rallies one beeper. Made in Israel, handmade, so it's something. It's not nothing. I was here for the Defeat the Mandate rally, lost my job. Yeah. Never thought that would happen. I got fired. I did not get the COVID vaccine, mostly because my pediatrician said I was too tiny, and I was just listening to I flew here. Guy had a mask on next to me. And I had flashbacks. So you remember flying during COVID? It was like being in a flying intensive care unit in the sky. Guy next to you's got 5 masks on, a face shield, a hazmat suit. Other guy on a ventilator staring at you. Then everybody taking everything off to eat peanuts for 45 minutes. Where are you flying to?
Ladies and gentlemen, it is peanut time. Everybody can take off their masks and their. As you know, when the Communist Chinese Party designed the virus in the lab, they made sure it does not attack the immune system when you're sitting down and shoving little nuts in your face.
I'd be sitting there 2 hours later licking one nut going. Unbelievable. Well, we got the election coming up. Quite a coalition that Donald Trump is building. Tulsi Gabbard, Elon Musk. Elon Musk is going to clean house. He might go too far. I think day one we're going to see him on TV.
Sir, I fired 99.9% of the government. Yeah. So it turns out you only need 3 people to run the government. So pretty cool. Yeah, pretty cool. I actually fired Donald Trump, so welcome AI Trump.
Who's next? I heard he's considering Ben Shapiro. Seriously. Secretary of Defense. That guy's good at protecting stuff. You can see him on CNN. My fellow Americans, we're at war with North Korea because apparently they got a hold of our nuclear codes. We are terrible at protecting our online data. That's why I use ExpressVPN. Go to expressvpn.com. Who watched the Oprah interview with Kamala? You got to look at Oprah's face. She very much looked burdened by what has not been and what will not be. If she wins, though, I'd like to see her in the UN, switching her accent for every country. We have India here. India, we are building back better. That's what we're doing. Donald Trump, very bad.
France, bonjour les Français, là, yeah.
Even my Jews are here. It's good to be here. You know, I love the Jews. I'm a big fan of the Jews. I even like the Donald Trump supporters. I do. So we are building back better as Kamala or Mamala. I love the Trump people. I really do. I am going to close the border as Kamala Harris, day one. I am going to close the border. How's Biden doing, dude? Is he alive? I think Biden died 2 years ago. They're just doing the weekend at Bernie's. Like, wheel out the president's corpse. He's not speaking English. We have a president who cannot speak. I love watching Biden talk. He'll start out by yelling, and then he'll whisper, like, the most important part of the speech, inaudibly, and nobody stops him. It's like, look, folks, look, where am I going here? Look, we're Build Back Better, not a joke. Not a joke, but first we're going to stop. We're going to stop systematic racism. Not joking around here. Where am I going? Not a joke. Then you got Trump. Trump does the polar opposite. Trump will kind of start out quiet and then scream at the end of the speech, right?
So, look at this crowd here in Washington. Probably 1 billion people. They say could be 1 billion, right? Right? Like, could be 1 trillion, maybe 1 trillion, right? But the Democrats, let me tell you something about the Democrats and the far left. They're rapists. They're murderers, right?
We can't go backwards, man. We got a funny president. We can't. We're stuck. You can't have a hilarious guy and have somebody boring. And you got to go watch the speeches from old presidents. They were so boring. Back in the day, people glorify these. Every speech back in the day by an old president was like, we must go forwards, not backwards, upwards, not downwards. Everyone's like, oh, this is good shit. Yeah, wow. Then you cut to Trump today. He's like, Nancy Pelosi, what a fat bitch. Could I say that? Can I say it, right? You guys are amazing. Thanks for coming out today, huh?